So, welcome back. I hope you've had a really good holiday. Have you had a good holiday, Olga? What was your favourite bit? Eating all of those chocolate bars. Yes, you ate some of mine, didn't you? And then you were a little bit poorly. That's what happens when you eat too much chocolate. Well, we've got some maths with Olga today, having a look at the questions from today. I wonder how much we can remember from last time. We've got some missing number problems to begin with, and it's something minus 23 equals 19. Now, we've got a bar model to help us. Do we remember the first thing that we need to do? What was it, Olga? That's right, you need to find the whole number. What is the whole number in a subtraction? That's right, it's the number you take away from. Do you remember our song? The whole number you take away from, the whole number you take away from, the whole number you take away from. That's what the whole number is. So we've got something, take away 23. So that's going to be the whole number, which means the other two numbers are our parts. Where will we put those, Olga? That's right, we're going to put them at the bottom. So I'm going to put 19 there, 23 there, and then I'm going to put a giant plus sign there. And then we can do a column addition to work out the answer. 9 and 3, there's 9, add on 3, 1, 2, 3 is 12. 1 10 plus 2 tens is 3 tens, plus another 10 is 4 tens. So our answer is 42. Now Mrs. Ollinger made a mistake here. So I think in the solution I sent out, I just crossed out a number and then used the bar model just to check what that the number sentence made sense. Down here we've got a missing number problem, which is an addition. So what's the whole number in an addition, Olga? You want us to sing the song? Okay, let's do our song. In addition, a whole number's the answer. The whole number's the answer. The whole number's the answer. That's what the whole number is. So 24 plus something equals 36. What's the answer, Olga? It's 36. So we're going to put 36 there. That's where the whole number goes. 24 here. And then to work this out, we do 36 minus 24. We can do that over here. Okay, 6 take away 4 is 2. 3 tens take away 2 tens is 1 10. That's nice and easy, no exchanging needed. So our answer is 12. We can pop that up there as well. Okay, so that's those questions all sorted. Now, this one relies on our 5 times table knowledge. 4 times 5, we could hold up 4 fingers and count in 5s until we counted them all. 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, so we're going to put 20 there. 18 divided by 3. So we're going to have 3 circles. Okay, and we're going to divide 18. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18. And our answer is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And one thing we always say is try and draw the numbers. If you're drawing a number, draw them like a numicon shape, so groups of 2 going up. Now, a quarter of 20. We had a look at this before the holiday. A quarter of 20 now. There's a number at the top and a number at the bottom. What's the number at the top called? That's right, the number at the top is called the numerator, and the NU in numerator stands for never under, so we know that the number at the top goes at the top, the numerator goes at the top, and the number at the bottom is called, that's right, the number at the bottom is called the denominator, and starts with D, which stands for down. Okay, and the number at the bottom, what does that number at the bottom tell us? Olga, do you remember? The number at the bottom tells us how many parts 20 has been broken up into. And it's been broken up into 4. So we can deal with this a bit like with a division. So we can do 4 circles, 4 sharing circles, and then we can share 20 by 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So a quarter of 20 is going to be how many dots there are in this circle, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer is 5. Now our last question here says complete this calculation. And it's a missing number problem, but a division one. Something divided by 2 equals 12. Now this means we're going to have to find the inverse of divide. The inverse of add is take away. The inverse of take away is add. Remember, inverse means opposite, it's the opposite. What do you think the inverse of divide might be? Any ideas? That's right, the inverse of divide is going to be multiply. That's right. So 12 times 2 will equal divide, will equal our answer. 12 times 2 will equal our answer. What's the same as dividing by 2? What's dividing by 2 the same as, Olga? Dividing by 2 is the same as halving. So what we're saying is that something divided by 2 is 12. So half of something is 12. So the opposite of halving will be doubling. So we need to do 12 times 2, or we can just say double 12. So here we go, we've got 12 times 2. If you know your 12 times table, you might know that that is 24. You could also draw 12 dots. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That's 12. And then that 12 is half of another 12. So we could draw another 12 dots. And that would give us our answer as well. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 12 times 2 is 24. Lots of different ways to do that question. It's not quite as hard as it looks to begin with. Well done in finishing our first maths with Olga after the holiday. Say bye, Olga. Have a good day. Take care.